All right, guys, now we're gonna see how we're gonna create a pull request in any of your code repository using Git and what exactly is meant by pull request. So let's see, for example, I have this project currently on your screen. If you see, this is a normal Spring Boot project, and I can open up terminal over here. Let's see. And currently it says some kind of branch main. Let me actually check out to Git check out develop branch. Okay, so if I see what branch I have right now, it says I'm on develop branch. So I wanted to create a pull request. That means I want my code, whatever the changes I made it, I wanted to get it merged to a specific branch. Let's say right now I am on develop branch. I wanted to merge into staging branch. So for example, let's do one thing. I have this product here. Maybe I wanted to make some changes. Let's see what specific change I can make. Maybe let's say if I have any unwanted import, I can probably remove it and just to make just an example change. Okay, I don't see anything, but let's see if I can make okay, maybe let's do a change here. I can do a system.out.println and maybe add system.out.println. And I wanted to say test for GitHub pull request. Okay, so this is a change which I made here right now. And if I check Git status, it says there is some kind of change in the product controller class. And I will say Git diff. And I can see the change which I made is like system.out.println. And this is the change which I made. Okay, I'm gonna quickly add this to a Git repository. And I'm gonna commit this and I'll say test change for dummy pull request. Okay, and I'm gonna push this change to the GitHub. All right, so currently this is pushed to this location. And over here on my GitHub, it says develop has recent push changes. And here right away, the moment you make any changes to it, and you can also see we have all the three different branches here, main, develop, and staging. And since my develop was cloned or branched off from staging, so I want this to be merged to the staging itself. So you can directly go and click on this and say compare and pull. And so this branch is supposed to be my branch from where I want to get it to merge to some other branch, or in this case, which is staging, because I branched off staging. And also it says able to merge. And this way you can say you want your branch developed to be merged into staging. And of course, that should be done when you are finished testing your changes and everything is done. And here you can add number of reviewers from here, possibly like I can add multiple reviewers because my staging branch currently takes at least 3 approvals before they can merge it. And on this, nothing to preview here, and probably I can write a comment test pull request, and I'm gonna tell my team members to probably please ignore, and yeah. And then when I say create pull request, I can click on this and it should create a pull request. Other than that, you can create a draft pull request. That means this is specific to GitHub feature. Draft pull request is, that means you wanted to create a pull request right now and it won't show to other team members, and maybe you wanted to come back and make changes over here for something, and that you can do. And once that's done, you can click on ready to review, and then it will be moved to as an actual pull request, so that the other team members, all the 3 members, they will get notification that this pull request is ready to be merged. But right now it says it has to be approved by 2 people before you can merge it. So right now you can see my pull request is ready, which has all these commits, but you can go over there and see this has a pull request which says some review required, and I'm merging from develop branch to staging. So this way you can create a pull request, and I have all the closed pull requests over here. You can look into your GitHub account, and you can also currently, and I did not make any change or anything, but maybe you can say, you can actually change this one from here and say, dummy pull request for GitHub. And basically, this is the title of the pull request which you wanted to make. And specifically, when you go to the production level code or in your company, you usually write the name of the ticket which you're working on or whatever the feature which you have. So that's generally it has. Also on this description, you generally write what exactly your pull request does. And in short, you also say this is a PR. So what exactly your PR does, what are the features your PR have and all. So I can probably save it. So that's pretty much for the pull request. And okay, I'm getting some review as well right away. But yeah, that's all for the pull request. Please tune in for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.